If the sun vanished right now and was replaced by something completely invisible, would we even notice? For the first 8 minutes, nothing changes. Earth keeps orbiting, gravity feels normal, everything looks fine. Because gravity does not care about light. Even if the sun were replaced by a cold, invisible black hole with the exact same mass, our orbit would not change at all. But then the darkness arrives. The sky goes black, temperature begins to collapse, and within days, life on Earth starts to freeze. We have been told black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners, objects that swallow everything in their path. But that is not the truth. Black holes do not just destroy the universe, they build it. From the smallest known black hole, just 3.8 times the mass of our sun, to monsters like TON 618, a beast so massive it outweighs 66 billion stars. These objects do not drift randomly. They anchor reality itself. Right now, just 1,500 light years away, Gaia BH1 silently exists in our cosmic backyard, and at the edge of the observable universe. QSOJ 0313-1806 formed so early. It challenges everything we thought we knew about time. But if you ever got too close, you would not just fall in, you would be stretched, pulled apart, because gravity at your feet would be stronger than at your head. A process scientists call spaghettification. And some black holes do not just sit still. Objects like GRS 1915 plus 105 spin so fast, over 1,000 rotations per second. They turn into the most powerful particle accelerators in existence. But here's the part most people do not realize. Almost every major galaxy, including our own Milky Way, exists because of a black hole at its center. Sagittarius A is not just sitting there. It is holding everything together. Without these voids, galaxies would not form, stars would not stabilize, and life would never exist. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. The universe is not held together by light. It is held together by darkness. And if this changed the way you see the universe, hit like so more people can discover what is really out there. Subscribe for more deep space documentaries most people never get to see. And tell me in the comments, if the sun disappeared today, how long do you think humanity would actually survive?